Craven was founded by my father. The company started out with a simple screwdriver and the family vehicle. Since then, in the last 5 years, we just keep expanding and growing and growing and growing.
The biggest time pressures our team faced before using AI were the everyday tasks that were so time-consuming. Content creating, data analysis, product research, and customer inquiries.
I noticed that our staff were taking hours and hours and hours to make content for social media. That's the reason why I first said we need to implement AI. And what used to take us now, say 2 to 3 hours, we do within 10 seconds.
Starting to use AI was scary at first. I had a lot of doubts, but as long as you're sensible and you use it appropriately, like any tool, it'll work for you.
AI is actually helping us construct one of the largest e-commerce websites in the refrigeration industry. We're approximately going to have 55,000 products.
And to manually market them products, really time consuming. We're able to plan these out in a month.
AI has helped us to concentrate more on what we do best.
There is a lot of support out there, for example, like Busnes Wales. They give us a lot of advice on different marketing tools. They give us advice on different software. You've got to start small, you've got to set boundaries. It's more there as a technical assistant who will advise you.
It's really helped across all aspects of the business.